Hey there! Welcome to my channel where we make healthy living fun and exciting. Are you tired of the same old diets that leave you feeling deprived and hungry? Well, today we are going to talk about the DASH diet, a way of eating that promotes weight loss, lowers blood pressure, and promotes overall health. Now, you may be thinking, what is the DASH diet? The DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, was originally developed to lower blood pressure, but it has also been found to be an effective way to lose weight and promote overall health. One fact that you may not know about the DASH diet is that it emphasizes whole foods and limits processed foods, which is a great way to ensure that you are getting all the nutrients your body needs to thrive. So, how does the DASH diet work? It focuses on consuming foods that are rich in nutrients such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and low-fat dairy products. It also limits foods that are high in saturated fats, added sugars, and sodium. By following the DASH diet, you can improve your heart health, reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases, and maintain a healthy weight. If you are new to the DASH diet, here are some tips to get you started. 1. Start by incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. 2. Choose whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread over refined grains. 3. Include lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, and beans in your meals. 4. Choose low-fat dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese. 5. Limit your intake of processed foods, saturated fats, added sugars, and sodium. By following these simple tips, you can start to incorporate the DASH diet into your lifestyle and begin to reap the many benefits it has to offer. Did you know that the DASH diet is popular among many celebrities as well? For example, actress Jennifer Aniston has been known to follow the DASH diet to maintain her healthy figure and promote overall health. She has even been quoted saying that the DASH diet has helped her feel more energized and less bloated. Another celebrity who follows the DASH diet is former First Lady Michelle Obama. In fact, the DASH diet was one of the main components of her Let's Move campaign to promote healthy living among children and families. In conclusion, the DASH diet is a great way to promote overall health, lower blood pressure, and lose weight. By incorporating more whole foods into your diet and limiting processed foods, you can improve your heart health and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating the DASH diet into your lifestyle today and see the amazing results for yourself.